is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WXL.
There goes Borman's radios.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. On the latest weather map, low pressure will move into the Great Lakes and intensify this afternoon, driving a strong cold front across the region.
There goes Borman's ending.
This is the National Weather Service. In White Lake, Michigan. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for weather radio station WNG647. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
This one off.
The signal and receiver's performance
This
are
one
normally
off.
conducted each Wednesday
This
between the hours of 11
is
a.m.
old. This is my station.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for launches and warnings affecting only the following lower Michigan counties: Hillsdale, Lenawee, Jackson, Monroe, Washtenaw, and the Ohio counties of Fulton, Henry, Lucas, Williams. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station WNG647. We now return to the normal broadcast.